So I just got approved for another auto loan. I want to surprise Haley, but she's so picky, so I'm not gonna surprise her. Just gonna get a reaction for y'all. See how it goes. Hey, babe. Babe.
Okay, I'm at the gym editing this video, and before you judge, we live in apartments and we have nowhere to put our kayaks except for our guest room. So that's what you're about to see in the next clip.
I have something to tell you.
What?
So, come here.
I'm scared. Someone stole our pumpkins.
No, so, yeah, somebody stole our pumpkins, first off the bat. The other thing is somebody ripped off our thing.
No.
No, I'm actually kidding. So, I just wanted to let you know that
Wait, I'm scared.
I just got approved for a $16,000 loan for a car. So, I was gonna surprise you and just bring the car here, but you're so damn picky that I'm not gonna go pick it up. And plus, I'd have to figure out how to get it here and my truck here. So,
$16,000.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I felt the same way when it said approved. So I just have to go to Navy Fed and clean and pick up the check. Sign some papers, pick up the check. And then we go to a dealership wherever we want the car.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
So we have to find a car now. We could get it this week. You could be cruising around in that car you talked about whipping in.
Okay. I'll film my TikTok like, ooh, post
No, you're gonna drive careful.
Oh yeah.
I put gap insurance on it just in case you totaled it.
I feel stressed. $16,000 is a lot of money.
Well, $16,500, but yeah.
Are you being serious?
I'm so serious. Yeah, I didn't think I would get accepted for a second one. You happy?
Yeah, why'd you go outside?
Cause I was doing something.
Hey guys, we're vlogging, baby. Where are we headed right now? We're going to the dealership. Okay guys, so we're here. Are you ready, babe?
Yeah, sure.
Look at that sexy ass Range Rover.
I'm tired. Okay, let's go.
So yeah, we can get like a view of comfortable.
Okay, so
Why don't you face away from the sun?
look
maybe?
at this.
I don't know.
Look at this sexy baby.
Oh yeah.
Britt isn't into it, but
No, I'm into it, but it's like smaller than the other one.
yeah, it is
But it
small.
also has the black rims, so I'm digging it. That's like a mom plus a dad car, so
I agree,
so I could do it.
but he's pulling out a car that Britt liked so that we can look at it.
You liked it too.
I did like it, but I just really like this color in the rims. I think it's so nice.
Well, if you like this one the most, we get this one.
But I do want to see the one that you like. But Britt says that we might be test driving it, so I'm kind of scared.
Black rims over there. It's the same. This thing where I think I did white videotaping.
Because we haven't vlogged at all.
Because we're just waiting for
We
the
should
paperwork.
we should be vlogging what we're talking about without them.
They're trying to hustle us.
Yeah. Just because I'm a dumb blonde doesn't mean anything. He was like, I saw how that bitch drove. We can hustle them.
It was scary.
It was not.
We're not gonna hustle. We're gonna stick to our plan.
This man said, oh, your bank wants to do $320 a month? We'll do $360. That's better. Weak. This is all I care about.
You ready?
For what? Man, for what?
To go to your mom's tomorrow and get to show off your little car.
I'm not going tomorrow.
Oh yeah, cool. Alright, Friday, Saturday, shoot.
We got a lot. Wait, where's the amount? Oh, right there. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, guys.
It's actually not that high.
It's a lot of money. Our dealership guy just walked by. I said, hey, Drew. And she said, oh, shit, I saved his name. That's Derek. Wait, baby, you can't have our insurance in it.
I know.
Derek.
I should probably change that.
How do you not remember it's Drew?
I don't know.
You had said it like 5 minutes before that, so I'm weak. So I'm like so excited to see the car.
So on the 26th, Modern Warfare rims out? All three?
Oh my god, no.
Are you gonna buy some?
Sure. So I'm like so excited. They took the car and they cleaned it and they put it through the car wash. I want to see it. I want to see it so beautiful and sparkly, and
I wish I would've got myself from the dealership.
it's like sparkly gray, so I'm so excited to see it all
Got
fresh and
black
clean.
rims for Dad.
Black rims for daddy and mom, because
For Dad. Dad's gotta have some.
I didn't want that ugly silver car. I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I wanted the one that they did. It looked like a grandma car.
I know, look at a grandma car, right?
The one we have now, though, it looks like a mom and dad car.
Yeah, it looks cute as fuck. It looks like our age too.
I would have never guessed that she would like that gray car.
You would have never guessed I'd like that car. Are you kidding me? Why?
Because it's so short and fat.
Short like you, fat like me. Gang, gang, gang. Gang, gang. But I love it.
I didn't know. I figured you want more for like
Obviously, I
a
want.
Kia.
Obviously,
Mom.
yes, but those were like more expensive, and I just think it's so like sleek and beautiful looking.
Yeah, so like the thing is, we could have got a Kia Sorento, but, like,
But it wouldn't have been so
had-
nice looking.
Well, it could have been nice, but it would have a lot more miles.
I don't know why there's such a weird glare, but yeah.
It would have like 60,000 miles, where this car has like 28,000 miles.
Yeah.
Let's get rid of that double chin real fast, you know what I'm saying? Yo. There you go. Babe,
Yes.
get in your car.
I'm like actually not in this video at all.
This is a new whip, y'all. I think she's pretty excited, just not showing it.
Yeah, I'm really bad at showing my feelings with stuff like this.
They're so cute. Look at those white kicks. Just kidding, this is actually your car right here coming up.
No,
That's actually your car right there.
look how skinny the key is.
See those rims though? They're for me and me only. Goofy goober.
So guys,
You haven't talked to them much.
I know. So my wife's little daddy, and she got me this car. Do I look cute?
I'm pretty positive it has a backup camera. The backup camera's up there. Alright,
Should I start it?
you can drive me down to
Should I start it?
the
Ready?
thing. It's your car now.
Ooh,
yeah,
Becky. First drive-through, going through Dairy Queen. Okay, I'm so sorry, that's so obnoxious. This is my baby's first drive-through. She cute or whatever. Here's a little backseat action where our baby will go when God finally blesses us with one. I look like a whole ass hot mess this whole video, and I'm so sorry about it, but I've been up since like 6 a.m. so that was seriously the longest process ever, because it's 2:44 now, or 2:45, and we got there at, I don't know what time we got there, maybe like 9 a.m. We're gonna surprise my mom with a new car. Well, it's not hers. Oh, they put up some Halloween decoration. Brittany, there's a car. Where is she? Hey guys! She's like, oh.
Is this yours?
Yeah, Britt got me a car.
Congratulations.
It's you.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's very Haley.
It is.
Well, she did pick it out.
Haley, I look disgusting.
She did pick it out, and then she tried to argue with me like, it doesn't have a backup camera. I'm like, yes, it does. No, it doesn't. I'm like, yes, it does. Good job taking care of her.
Oh, did y'all just go get this?
We got it a couple days ago.
It's only
Why
got
are you
28,000
videoing
miles.
this?
Because we're making a YouTube video.
Oh, okay. I watch all of them.
I know.
Hi, I'm Haley's mom.
Yeah.
This is Diggity.
No, don't get
She's a real subscriber.
I am a real subscriber.
Do you guys like it? Is it nice?
It is. It is nice.
I'm tired, dude.
Me too. I need a nap.
I'm excited for you.